Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to optimize your Steam for maximum performance. So let's get started. Open up your Steam, go up here to Steam and go to settings. After you've done that, what you need to do is go to interface. Now make sure that everything here is turned off under this one. Scale, text and icons to match monitors. This should be turned on. Everything under this should be turned off for maximal Steam performance. If you want, you can carefully read what each one of these does, but I'm just here to tell you that if you turn all of this off, you'll for sure have better Steam performance. Next thing you need to do is go to in-game and disable this, enable Steam overlay while in game. You need to turn this off. Now what you need to do next is go to broadcast, privacy settings, click on this and disable broadcast. After you have done that, your Steam should be optimized, running smoothly. Make sure to restart your Steam, maybe even restart your PC just to make sure that every setting is applied, and your Steam may be not looking the best after that, but it sure will run a lot faster than before. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.